National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Franklin County, southeastern Shawnee County, southern Douglas County, northern Osage County, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:30 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to near Pomona Lake, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ottawa, Baldwin City, Carbondale, Richland, Wellsville, Auburn, Overbrook, Centropolis, Pomona, Scranton, Princeton, Lane, Rantoul, Pomona Lake, and Globe. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 176 and 198. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 165 and 171. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.